We are here today for the resumption of the impeachment proceedings against the Vice President. Today's agenda is simple, yet heavy with consequence. We reiterate that we are not here to decide guilt or innocence. Hindi po ito paglilitis. Hindi pa. We are here for one question. Isang tanong lang. May sapat bang batayan para ituloy ang proseso ng impeachment? That is the only question before us today. Are there sufficient grounds to proceed? Sufficient grounds. That is the question. Wala nang iba. Let us be clear. Today is not about judgment. Today is about justification. Hindi tayo huhusga. Titingnan lang natin kung may dahilan para magpatuloy.